following video showcases the views and opinions of young adults from the age group of 9 to 18 years. This is an attempt to get students to speak about issues that are close to their heart. Watch and get a glimpse of what the future of India is thinking and where is India's youth headed. Viewers are requested to consider the student's age before judging and voting.
Nature is the most precious resource on the earth. This is my life. I've seen it grown. I've nourished it. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Imagine the world without water, trees, organisms, chirping of birds. How unpleasant the surroundings would be without nature. This is the power of nature. Always try to protect it. Today I am acknowledging nature, but I myself was a nature killer. I used to kill the insects like bugs, spiders, mosquitoes, etc. Once, when I was strolling in the garden with my friend Ajay, he asked me a question that nature gives you so many things. Then, what do you give to nature in return? This struck my mind. Let me introduce myself. I am Vidit Darade. I am 12 years of age and my topic for today's talk is nature. So where was I? So Ajay told me that around 80% of the world is covered with water. But only 0.06% is potable water. Only 21% is oxygen in the atmosphere. Nature is a very precious resource. Nature is an important aspect of our lives. It is the home to many living organisms. Trees provide oxygen to us. Nature cycle creates balance in the environment. I was amazed by his words. Then he explained to me the term global warming. This is the slow increase in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere because of the increased amount of energy that strikes the Earth's surface from the sun, which is trapped in the atmosphere and not radiated to the space, which is a great threat to the environment. When I heard all this information, I was shocked. I thought that nature is the greatest teacher. It should never be exhausted. And here's how I changed myself. I play classical music near the plants which help in the growth. I reduce, reuse and recycle. I notice how much I use water. I would like you to save and care about nature because it is a very precious resource. I would like to conclude with, if you save nature, then only you can think about the future. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is brought to you by Suyojit Viridian Valleys.